Most crypto scams on BNB Chain, on the Binance chain, and check this list out here. Tokens contracts by claim. BNB have total contracts, the most total contracts, but it also has the most scam and the highest scam percentage. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, nearly 12% of all BEP20 tokens on the Binance network, the standard token on BNB Chain, are tied to scams. While some of the big rug pulls and scams make the news, like this famous Squid Games token that estimated to have cost users around $3 million in lost funds. The full picture stemming from my data shows that the vast majority of these scams, they really go unnoticed. The Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, Kathy. Now, the research firm said it detected 15 deployed scams every hour. In the past 2 weeks, it has found more than 188,525 smart contract scams across 12 major blockchains. Now, aside from rug pulls, which are fairly well known in decentralized DeFi finance, it is said that token impersonation scams, where fraudulent token contract is deployed that copies a well-known token symbol to trick victims into investing into the project. Now, going back to the list here, Ethereum is number 2, Polygon is number 3, and I see Ethereum's got 13,561 contract or scam contracts sitting at 7.89%. But that BNB, man, 12% of scams, 168,035 scam contracts, and way over 1 million contracts on the BNB chain here. And if I go down here, in early October, BNB was hit with a 100 million exploit, as Binance has close relationship with most of the chain's validator. It was able to freeze some of the stolen funds by pushing out the software update. And then in 2021, a company rep said Binance is not responsible for rug pulls or fraud that occurs on the chain. But if you go back here, they did have the most, but I'm definitely looking forward for regulatory and more security in the crypto space, so we can have these crypto scams to go down, because Binance really is a great network and they're the largest chain we have in cryptocurrency. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.